As a Flow funder, Bloom Network is proud to have been able to support over 200 individuals and communities who are doing work such as building bioregional economies, caring for their local watersheds, building bioregional food systems, building community-based schools, indigenous culture, and biodiversity restoration. You can read all the beautiful impact reports on bloomnetwork.earth. And many of them made videos like this one. The partnership with Kinship Earth has meant that we've been able to successfully pilot our flow funding protocol, demonstrating that flowing funds into community coalitions for work they've already done that has been successfully building long-term regenerative cultures in their region results in those communities investing those funds back into bioregional enterprises and community care that lifts all boats where they live. It's a beautiful cycle of caring for place and each other while building economic power to counteract extractive dynamics. The reporting is done on our very own social network that the global network of bioregional Bloom chapters designed and co-governed together, especially made for community-led development and regenerative culture media. Combined with Flow Funding's methods of trust and relationship building, this allows more community-led forms of change, which we've seen to be longer lasting and more holistic, truly building movements instead of siloed single-issue interventions. One of the very exciting things about Bloom Network and Kinship Earth coming together is that with the touch of a button, we are able to distribute, say, $1 million to 10,000 individuals and communities anywhere around the world in under 10 seconds for less than $5 in fees. By coming together in partnership across the various networks at different scales, local and global and bioregional, we are able to really magnify each other's efforts and work together to bring through the global systems transformation that we all know is possible, and we have so many beautiful solutions in practice already around the world that are ready to scale and be shared with more people who need them. We are so grateful to be a flow funder and to be able to magnify the flows with all the ways we've built peer-to-peer infrastructure and knowledge sharing together over the years. So please check out the various videos and reports documented on bloomnetwork.earth to get more inspired to stay in the flow. Thank you, Kinship Earth and the Flow Funder peer community.